Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Alan. Hey, I got a vertical smoker going on out here. Wanted to do a video on it right quick. Getting the sides and everything cut out right now. I'm running that titanium plasma cutter. And I tell you, since I changed the torch head on that thing, it seems to be doing a lot better than it used to. I need to go ahead and order some more before this one burns up. This is the vent on the side of on one of the sides. You can see I got a template clamped down on there. This one has several probe ports on it, and that's what I'm cutting out for here. They want one at each rack level, so it has 4 of them on there. I'm chancing it with this circle burner again. That's how I burned the last torch head up. It just built up a lot of slag and everything under there, and I didn't see it, and kind of melted the side out. And this is the door and the frames. I cut it all out except for a few notches. Then come back with the grinder and cut those notches out. Then just getting it all laid out. I need to redo the top on this table. I did a video on that table several years ago, and I was saying on there that I had put 1/8 inch on the top of it. It has a lot of braces under it, but I knew that 1/8 inch was going to start warping eventually, and it kind of dips down between the braces. I need to put a piece of 1/4 inch on top of that one day. It doesn't really affect anything, but every now and then it causes a problem. Then these is just pretty much this. I worked the sides around all the way around. After I get that bottom on, I'll scoot it over to where that edge is on the table and start getting the other side put on. This is the taper for the top. Those magnets are there just kind of as a guide. They're not holding it. Then just finishing getting it welded out. I usually weld it all flat, and then I stand it up for that last one, so I don't have to roll it over on the table again and weld it all downhill. Got it put on the stand. This is the bottom door. I went ahead and got the doors and everything put together. Just a matter of getting it all put on now. Those clamps are real useful in holding that door up there while you put the hinges on. You can hold it up there and tack it up there while you put them on. Those clamps do come in handy for it. Top door and the tables, and that's just about it on it before I have to get it ready for paint. This one has the folding tables. It's good for storage and everything with the folding tables. It's easier to move it around with the solid tables though. All right, I went ahead and got it wrapped up. Got it painted and everything. This is the 24 by 24 vertical. Has 4 racks inside. The water pan, ash pan, your fire basket. This one has 4 of the probe ports on it, you can see on the side there. But that'll pretty much do it for this one. If you're looking for a smoker or something like that, I'll have my email in the description box. You can shoot me an email from there. If you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe.